if you're looking for a less expensive alternative to 3M Rolocs, look into this. Like I mentioned earlier, we'll have a link in the description below for these. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some cleanup work from where we cut the rear firewall to allow this drive shaft to fit. So this company reached out to me and asked if I would take a look at their product, and this is very similar to a 3M setup that I currently have on this air grinder here. I'm not sure if you can see the 3M logo, but this is in fact a 3M product. So we're going to take a look at these. What we're going to be doing is cleaning up some metal that we cut with a plasma cutter, and it didn't leave a perfect edge. And the reason I'm taking this out is there was one of these sent in the kit, or at least one. So here off the top we've got some 80 grit 2-inch grinding discs. We have some 60 grit 2-inch grinding discs, some polishing discs, got 120 grit, and it looks like there's five of each in these. We got 180 grit. This one I'm not real sure. It kind of looks like Scotch-Brite, but it might be something different. Some 120 again. 240. Here is the actual disc assembly, and we'll get into that here in just a second. A couple options there. So here definitely is some brown Scotch-Brite, the maroon Scotch-Brite, which I'm familiar with, the blue Scotch-Brite, and these are good for polishing. There's still a finer one that is gray, but that's not included, which is fine. Another 60 grit. Actually this is the only 80 grit that I've seen. So let me lay these out. All right, so if you can see from left to right, we've got 10 60 grit, 10 80 grit, 10 120 grit, 5 180, 5 240. We've got 5 of the brown Scotch-Brite, 5 of the maroon. I dropped one. And 5 of the blue, and then 2 of these really coarse. I don't know about these. I've never used these. And then 2 polishing wheels. What I told you we would revisit was this package right here. And here we have 2 options. We have one 1/4-inch shank that is round, which will fit in a die grinder, and this is a 1/4-inch hex that will fit in a drill. So what we're going to be using this for, it'll be very similar to this 3M setup that I have here. So all you have to do to get this set up is run this in and then grab a wrench. This just so happens to work. You can grab an adjustable wrench, but this works just fine. So that tightened in just fine. We'll chuck this up. And if you don't have a 90-degree angle grinder like this, I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get one on Amazon. I just happen to have this. This one is a fairly cheap one from Harbor Freight. But if you want to buy everything all in one place, I'll have a link below for that. So for what we're doing, we're going to be cleaning up a rough edge on sheet metal. So I think I will go ahead and use 80 grit. The nice thing about this style is it's a quick connect, if you will. So you just take this, it's threaded here, turn it, and there, you're pretty flat. So we'll jump in here and we'll start doing some cleanup on that sheet metal. All right, before we get to cleaning up these body mounts, I wanted to show you a couple things. This is the 3M attachment. And let's see here. You can probably see right, maybe right here. It's 3M. Just took a 3M accessory off of it. Now this is from this kit here, the less expensive kit. So it will fit into your 3M holder. And this is not a 3M kit, but it will also accept the 3M Roloc style fastener or engagement, whatever you want to call it. But if you're looking for a less expensive alternative to 3M Rolocs, look into this. Like I mentioned earlier, we'll have a link in the description below for these. I just wanted to tell you that real quick. I'm not saying these are as good as 3M, but I am saying they're a less expensive alternative. You might need to buy more. You might use more than the 3M if you put them side by side. But for the cost, you're gonna probably come out ahead saving some money. So just wanted to throw that out there before we get going. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the 80 grit 2-inch disc, and I'm gonna do some cleanup on these body mounts that I'm making for that Ranchero right there. So after what you saw there, this is what the disc looks like. You can see around the edges it's kind of broken off and worn, but some of that is because of these hard corners that I have. Whenever I'm cleaning up just edges, everything seems to be fine. Like I said before, these are a good 3M Roloc alternative. Not saying they're better than 3M, but they will work with your 3M accessories. I do have a link in the description below for these. If you have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comments. I'll be using these as I continue on with this build. So if you want to see more of these in use, go ahead and subscribe and you can watch this magic. And if you're wondering what this is, it's a 65 Ford Ranchero with a 5.3 liter LS on an S10 frame with air ride. So anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll come back and check out another video.